Come with me and learn how to turn a handful of simple ingredients into a sleek and sleep-packed detangler that will melt away all your knots and tangles. Our water face consists of botanical gels. We have flaxseed, fenugreek, and the herbal gel. If you want to learn how to make the fenugreek infusion and the flaxseed gel, check my previous video. And then we have the herbal gel, which is a mixture of ambunu, nkui, marshmallow root, and slippery elm. So let's start. And now we have fenugreek. And finally, the flax seeds. And now we mix. This is the water phase. Can you see this? Now let's move to the oil phase. We're going to add shea butter, and now we're going to add the oil that will add a little bit of color to the product. And now we add the emulsifier. And that last, a fatty alcohol, which is a gentle emollient thickener and will help with the stability. Now we're going to take both the water phase and the oil phase to the water bath. While both beakers are in the water bath, I'm going to move to the vegetable glycerin mixture. I love adding humectants to my hair products, especially detanglers and leave-in conditioners. And then we're going to add a gum just to add more sleep to the product and stability. And now we mix. This detangler does not have a lot of ingredients, so that you at home can also make it. It's very simple, very easy, and you don't have to use expensive butters or oils. If you have olive oil, you can use it. You can use your imagination and creativity to add as little as much ingredients as you want. Some people just add the botanical gels, shea butter, emulsifier, preservative, and vitamin E. And that's it, 5 ingredients. And of course, if you need to alter the pH of the product, you might need an extra ingredient. But as I said before, you can make affordable hair products at home. You don't need to spend a lot of money in hair products. Remember, our ancestors used to use single ingredients to take care of their skin and their hair. So you don't need a lot of things. You don't need a hair product with a long list of ingredients. For this formulation, you'll need the immersion blender to blend everything together. Don't forget to add the vegetable glycerin mixture while the product is still hot. Now we add the vitamin E. And we will check the pH of the product to see if it's within the range of the preservative. The pH of the product was fine, so let's add the preservative. And mix. I checked the pH once again after adding the preservative and it was fine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the application of this product, check out the video on the screen.